porch is wrapped. So here's our well. Looks like our little tower got blown over. Yeah, it's really windy today. Firewood. Not sure what that is, but I like it. Good landscape. Walkout basement is always a nice touch. And this is 0.86 acres. So not a full acre, but tons and tons of space. Well and septic. So your septic lids right there. Nice addition off the back. Looks like they got a rainwater barrel right there. They even built a little peninsula to come out here and grill. That way it's completely away from the house. There's probably the gas tank for the fireplace. And the 2-car garage. Let's take a look inside. Inside now, so the living room, wood floors, gas fireplace, kitchen.
That's a lot of now. Yeah, not my problem.
Dining room. And out to the sunroom. Great view out the back. And it's got skylights. Really a 3-season room. But they do have a baseboard heater, which is really nice. All right, down towards the bedrooms. It's a full bath. Bedroom 1, hardwood floors with a throw rug. Bedroom 2, carpet, but I'd be willing to bet there's hardwood underneath of it. And the master. And master bath. And let's check out the basement. Another wood stove. Apparently there's using this as a bedroom space. What do we got back here?
You know, it's a shame
And what do we got in here? Little office space. Currently a workout space. HVAC. I believe this is, where's it at? 09.
Callie would like this. She'd come dance and look at herself in the mirror.
No, the men's clothes are over there.
I said it was a woman, no man.
Powder room. And the laundry and shop room.
Clean.
It is. And I can't get to the sticker on that thing, but it does look new. I don't want to jinx it, but I think this house is worth it. We're going to come back tomorrow with a couple other family members to for them to look at it as well. But I think this is probably the best house we've looked at out of the 8 or 9. And we did write on one of them. Buyers just had second thoughts as our offer was getting accepted. part of the game, and it's my job to just make happen what they want. So we'll be back tomorrow morning on this one, and we're going to find out, is it truly worth it?